And where was that at? 6'9"? Why did you go back up that high? You were sitting at 6'3" for a couple seconds. You better calm down. Hulk, I know you're angry, but don't make me knock your ass out. Who you gonna knock out, boy? This world breaker Hulk in the building. Okay, he gets knocked out too. Don't fucking piss me off. Bruce, don't you tell people you wouldn't like them when they're angry? Well, this is the comedy telling you I will whoop your ass once I get angry. It ain't no stopping them either. The police can come, they gonna get it too. Everybody gonna get to work if I decide to snap. That be the problem, right? That's why I make sure I never snap. What happened? Well, I was gonna get mad, but then I remembered. I can't afford to kill the world because that's what happens when I get mad. Hell, the last time I got mad, there was a black hole, they called it. Then Jesus sent us all back. Essential. I like the word selection there. You see what I'm saying? He could have used a curse word. He could have used a curse word, but he said essential. It's fucking necessary. Nah, it's essential. Fucking essential. Hey, if y'all ain't having fun, I don't know what the hell y'all doing. Hopefully, y'all got y'all a beanie in your hand. Corey might still be at the office because he like to work late. But I know he got one at the house. Right there by the basket where it puts the lotion on its skin. Come on. It's at 6.1. It's at 6.1. It's at 6.1. Oh my God. How many times have I done this? This is a good thing about mixing nutrients. This is why I hardly ever do nutrient mixing videos, okay? I remember this process now. This is why I quit doing the videos about this. Because you be stuck doing this mixing for a minute. You turn a 30-minute live into a couple of hours. Then the fans is like, what happened? He was sitting there on the 14,000 likes, had 5,000 people in chat. But hell, you know how it go. See, that's what like I was saying though, Corey. I can make some shit like me mixing nutrients still entertaining apparently because when I watch my playbacks, I actually be wanting to hear what the fuck I said. Well, let me see what I actually said because if I was laughing when I said it, that's just me big up at me. But then if I laugh when I'm rewatching it, then I'm like, well, damn, I am hilarious. Hell, Cat Williams better be on lookout because Steve Harvey tried to shoot back at him today, as displayed in my video on Spider Pig. Yeah, we tied in one of our own channels. You know what I'm saying? A little self promotion, promoting myself. You see what I'm saying? YouTube says I'm not supposed to promote y'all, but I can talk about anything I do on my live, which is why I promote y'all because I'm in y'all lives. Big. We win, right? They can't tell me what to do. I love it when people try to tell me what to do, and then I remember. Then I remember, you know I'm smarter than you. Okay, so I just thought of something else I could do. I could actually check where my pH is, intent 1 and intent 2. What time is it? Oh, shit. I went live at 6, so it says I've been live for an hour and 57 minutes. So that means it's been close to 2 hours. So that means it's close to 8 o'clock. What time did my light go off this morning? I think it was after 8 something. I was already at work when it went off, matter of fact. It was still on when I left. Because I usually walk out the door at about 8:10 to be at work at 8:30. Okay, we got some natural fucking nutrients in here this time. Okay, where you at? Where you at? Okay, you're at 6.5. So I'm going to give this barely a little drizzle. A little drizzle. Just a little drizzle. I'm going to just stick the tip in and get it wet, right? I would just stick the tip in and get it wet, right? Shouts out to Wet Plenty. I'm clipping that too.